Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I am so excited because I am going to share with you my first Temu unboxing. You don't want to miss this. So I finally jumped on the Temu bandwagon, guys. This is my first unboxing. I was a little skeptical in the beginning, believe it or not, because this is how it is whenever you're trying to buy or shop from a website for the first time. But I am absolutely loving them, and so let's see what I got. The first thing is this accurate digital kitchen scale. You can switch from grams to ounces. It has an LCD display. It's battery powered, and guess what? The batteries are included. This is just a great gadget to have, especially when you want accurate measurements. And so I thought, hey, why not? I'm tired of losing all of my loose measuring spoons, so I figure why not get a digital one? Hopefully it will work well and it will last long. I will show you in separate videos how I use it in my kitchen, which is basically to measure things. But anywho, I love it. I got it in white so it could match my color schemes. I believe it came in two colors, white and black. Either one of the colors would have worked well, but I decided to go with the white one. So next up, we have this multifunctional spice, garlic, and coriander grinder. I cannot wait to use this because I do a lot of cooking with a lot of herbs, a lot of garlic. And so even though I have a knife, yes, you can use a knife to chop things up and mince it. This one is kind of like making it more simpler for me. And so I decided to try it out. Purchase it and buy it. I still haven't completely used it. Like, I've opened it, I'm inspecting it like I'm doing here with y'all, but I haven't used it yet. And when I do, I will definitely make sure to do a separate video so that you can see how it works. And so I believe I spent, let me see how much I paid for this little contraption. $5, which is not bad. It comes with two blades. And so, yeah, I'm looking forward to trying it out. And it's easy to store away. It's not taking up a lot of space. And so I will definitely do a full review once I use it in the kitchen. All right, so I decided to pay 79 cents for this item right here. It is a stainless steel potato cucumber wavy edge knife to make crinkled potatoes or to have your veggies with that crinkled look. I know, but for 79 cents, I said, hey, what the hell? I threw it in the cart along with this measuring cup. This is about a 1 cup measuring cup that I needed. You can never go without a lot of measuring cups in the kitchen. Then I decided to go with these salt and pepper grinders. These are also electric, so they are powered by batteries. This one did not come with batteries. Each of them take 4 AA batteries, which I went and picked up at the Dollar Tree. But they look very fancy. Once you put the battery on, you press the button at the top and it will grind your salt and pepper. And what I love about it is that it also has a light at the bottom. So that's pretty cool. I figured why not, and use it. Great for when company comes over and you can set it out on the table, or when you're cooking like me. You just have this on hand. So I decided to throw it in the cart, and I am loving it so far. Both of these came out to about $16, which I found a little pricey. And then next up, I decided to get this measuring spoon as well. I need a lot of measuring spoons, as you can see, because I usually buy mine like at the Dollar Tree, and I always lose them for some reason. Every time that I buy them loose, that comes with a little plastic ring, that doesn't work for me. And so I decided to go with these 2-piece adjustable measuring cups and spoons. So these serve as cups and spoons, which is awesome. It is plastic. These do not need batteries for you to operate them. You just scoop in the dry or liquid ingredients, and you can measure by adjusting the ounces or cup sizes that you are gonna need. I purchased both of these for $5.99 for both. Not bad. Threw it in there, and yeah, I'm looking forward to using these as well. And so the best part of all of this is that I don't have to have a whole bunch of measuring items in my drawers. This is definitely going to make a lot of space. I can now minimize, sorry, I got tongue tied there. I can also minimize the amount of gadgets and things that I have in the kitchen. So this was a practical buy. Okay, so this last item is a 1-piece donut maker. You can make, funnel cakes with these. You can make breads. You can make cookies. And so I can't wait to try it. For $2, I didn't see it breaking my pockets, so I'm gonna definitely give it a try. And so far, my first order that I placed with Temu, I must say that I am very impressed. I am satisfied with the service that they provide. The shipping was less than a week. I got my order really quick. And I'm really happy. Overall, I'm really excited. They do have other items that you can buy. They have beauty products. They have other items that you can use around the house. On my first order, I decided to just focus on the kitchen items that I need, the gadgets and storage. And so am I going to be purchasing from them again? Absolutely. I think that I'm loving it. And so here's my order one more time. These are all the items that I brought. What is your story? What is your Temu story? Please share in the comments down below whether you had a positive or negative experience. I would love to hear what your thoughts are. But for me, I love it. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.